there, welcome back in a new video here. So today I prepared for you the one indicator. It is ADX indicator, and as usual I'm going to show you how you can work with it. So move on. Okay, I'm going to click on this bottom, and here we have the help list of the indicators, and I'm going to choose the ADX. Okay, period 9, thickness, okay, medium, and apply. So what we have on the screen, we have 3 lines, and you have to know 2 basic conditions working with the ADX indicator. So for buying call option, we are waiting for the moment when will be the intersection of the 2 lines. Right now I've just made put option. Why? I explain you. Here we have the intersection of the green and yellow lines. That is a good moment for buying put option, but you have to notice that the direction of the green line is falling down. So if you see this moment, that is good moment for buying put option. Vice versa for buying call option, just like this, just like here. Okay, so here you have also the intersection of the green line and the yellow line, but the difference is that the direction of the green line is growing up. So remember these basic rules, steps, I don't know how you can call it. So if you will follow these steps, you will get good result. And right now we just waiting for the another moment. Okay, and expiration time. So you see that is good, really good. Okay, 5 seconds left. 3, 2, and 1. So $88, good result for us, good for you, good for me, and we continue our work on the IQ option platform. Okay, $100. So I'm waiting for the intersection, but it depends on the direction of these lines. Okay, so you see I just made call option because the direction of the green line was growing up, but we still have time, so I hope that everything will be quite good. Okay, so grow up. Okay, just a little, don't fall down. Oh, okay, not good. Almost. Okay, it may happen with anyone, so I'm not angry, I'm not sad, but you have to know and remember, in case of loss, you have to make the next deal twice and a half time bigger than the previous one, because you need to cover your previous loss. So right now I'm going to change $100 to $250 and move on. Okay, so I've changed my amount and I am waiting for the another intersection. Almost. Just a little. Please go hard. Yep, and more. More hard, please. Okay. Yeah, good. $220. So you see how it works actually, how you can work with the ADX indicator and the rule in case of loss. Actually, you have to make your next deal twice times and half bigger than the previous one. Okay, and right now I go back to my initial position. In my case, it is $100 and new option. So here we have the intersection, but I'm not sure. I will wait for a while for the another intersection because right now I am not sure. So remember, you have to work here only with the ADX lines, the green line and the yellow one. Okay, so right now I just made put option because here we have the intersection of the green and yellow ADX lines, and the direction of the green line was falling down and the yellow line was growing up. So that is why I've just made this option. Okay. Okay, $88. So that's good. If you have some questions, don't forget, leave them on your comments. I always read them. And remember that all the useful links are under the video. So I'm waiting for your reply. And continue working here. Okay, for the another option. Okay, I'm not sure. Right now I will wait. Because you see that here we have the intersection, but the line was falling down. And that's not good, actually. Okay, almost. Okay, so here we have strong position and nothing has changed. I know that right now the line almost was falling down, but you see that it changes. Oh my gosh. Please stay here. Okay, $88. So there is not something special right here, guys. You just have to know two basic steps how to work with the ADX indicator. I hope that you like my video. Don't forget to put your likes and subscribe to my channel. And also there is a bell sign bottom. So click on it and see you on the next time. Bye.